Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through exactly how to mute words on the X app so they won't appear in your home timeline. This updated guide will show you step-by-step how to set it up quickly and easily so you can enjoy a cleaner, more personalized feed. First, open the X app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your settings. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open a menu with several options. From here, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This is where all of your account control options are kept. Next, tap on Privacy and Safety. This section focuses on tools that help you manage who can interact with you and what content appears in your feed. Under this menu, find and select Muted and Block. Here, you can control both muted accounts and muted words. Now tap on Muted Words. This is the feature that allows you to hide specific words, phrases, or even entire hashtags from appearing in certain parts of X. To add a new word, tap the Add button, usually shown as a plus sign. Type the word or phrase you want to mute. You can mute just one or add several. This works for anything you don't want appearing on your timeline, whether it's a trending topic or something you find distracting. After typing your chosen word, look for the option that lets you choose where the mute applies. Make sure you check Home Timeline. This ensures that the muted word is hidden from your main feed while you scroll. Once you confirm your settings, the mute takes effect immediately. That means the chosen word or phrase won't appear in your home timeline moving forward, creating a more refined and enjoyable scrolling experience. And that's it, you've successfully muted words on the X app for your home timeline. It's a simple, quick adjustment that can make your time on the platform far more enjoyable and tailored to your preferences.